check this lamp. I've made this lamp with a full wood texture. Come, I'll show you how I made it. First, we'll cut the lamp base 1 inch thick. Now we'll cut the wood piece where we'll install the profile light. Now we'll cut the outer wood for the lamp. It's less than 1 inch thick. Now we'll chamfer the edges with a router bit to make them smooth and look better. Perfect. Now it's time to install the profile light. We'll drill a hole in the edge to pass the wire through. Now we'll firmly attach the profile light using super glue. Now I'll sand the lamp wood with 100 grit for smoothness. Then apply wood sealer and sand again to make it perfectly smooth for a better look. Perfect and smooth. Now we'll find the center on both sides of the base and drill a hole to pass the wire through. Now I'll use a cob warm strip light on it to give a cinematic look. Now I'll carefully solder the wires and attach it to the base with super glue. Now we'll put the profile light covers back on. Now I'll apply 2-3 coats of natural polish on the lamp. Trust me, it looks so amazing and satisfying. I love it. Now I'll use silicone to join them together. Here's the final look. I'll use a 12V adapter here to power it. And finally, the moment of truth. Boom, this is amazing. What's your opinion about this lamp? Comment and let me know. Also, tell me how you like this simple idea. This lamp gives a cinematic look in the bedroom. Don't forget to like the video. I put a lot of effort into making it and it will really encourage me. For more content like this, subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day.